What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet using the Sky Blue Paracord and the Lake Blue Paracord 550. The length or dimension of the Paracord are down below this video in the description. And if you want to learn how to create this 4-strand Paracord bracelet core with 2 working ends, the full tutorial is in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome Paracord bracelet as many other tutorials, so go ahead and check it on or check it out as you wish. Now we're gonna start creating this awesome Paracord project. So we're gonna take the left sky blue and make it from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna take the right strand of Sky Blue Paracord and also make it from the back through the middle and to the sides. Now from here we're gonna take the Lake Blue and we're gonna make it on top and then through the middle, around, and from the back side we're gonna exit. Sorry, let me just show you like this. Okay, so from the back side we're gonna exit through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, as you can see here. And with the left cord we're gonna make it on top and to the back, and from the back in the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, like so. Now pull it, make it tight, and we're gonna continue. So from the back through the middle and from the back through the middle as well. Now here we're gonna take it and make it around from the back and through the middle. Now from here on top of it and then around through the back and from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side and through, and with the left one also. So from the back through the middle, like so, and then around and to the back. And now from here in the gap between first and the second core strand, like so, and pull. Now pull it all together to make it tight. So as we did with the sky blue, around and from the back through the middle, and with this one also from the back through the middle and to the side. Now the lake blue to the back and from the back through the middle and around to the back and from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. Now we're gonna take the left cord and make it from the back through the middle, and now around and to the back, and once more from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, secure it, and create the firm structure of today's project or this bracelet.